Hello and welcome to my video tutorial on setting up GNS3 with a remote external hypervisor running on a Linux machine with Ubuntu. This video series will cover the following. We will install VirtualBox on a host system running Windows 7 64-bit. We'll apply the VirtualBox extension pack. We'll then install a Linux guest within VirtualBox. We will install guest additions onto Linux. We'll then download Dynamips to Linux and configure it. We'll set up shared folder access between the guest and the host. We'll download, install GNS3 onto a laptop running Windows 7 64-bit. And finally, we'll then connect GNS3 on that laptop to the remote Linux hypervisor. So in this step, we're going to install VirtualBox on, in this example, it's a Windows 7 machine. So what you're going to want to do is open up a browser. Let me do that. Open up Firefox. And you're going to want to go to virtualbox.org, and then download the version, the Windows version, if you're doing this from a Windows machine. That'll run on your machine. So we got Windows, this is the latest version here. And I'll grab this extension pack. Okay, so now that we've got those downloaded, and we can go ahead and close down the browser, and let's go ahead and install this executable. Let's click Run. Click Next. These all look good. I'll say Next. I don't like that, but on desktop is fine. That's fine. Install. And now we're installing the network driver. And more network stuff. And more adapters. I'm going to go ahead and just check the always trust from Oracle. Shouldn't get prompted anymore. Okay, so that's installed. I'll go ahead and let it start. Okay, so we got VirtualBox started. Over here we list your machines. I have none yet. We have to create them. But the first thing I want to do is we're going to install the extension pack. If you click on File and then Preferences and go down to Extensions, it'll tell you that currently don't have anything installed. So I'm actually going to close this down. Okay, so I've got the extension pack here that I'd also downloaded. So we're going to double click on that. And it says you're about to install the extension pack, blah, blah, blah. We're going to say, yep. Probably going to scroll down to the bottom. I agree. Of course I read that. And we get was installed successfully. Now if you go up here, Preferences, Extensions should be there. Alright, so we're good to go. So in our next video, we'll be installing Ubuntu desktop in VirtualBox.